Hello, guys. I guess hi YouTube. Hi everybody. Um, I'm gonna kind of change what I normally talk about all the time. I know I'm looking a little scruffy here. Oh, scruff. Got the scruff going on. Besides all that, I heard about this genius kid who talked about the fourth dimensional world that we live in, and how he was considered a genius. And then there was some sort of mysterious disappearance. He disappeared somehow. But I also study a lot of this stuff like cosmophysics and quantum physics, and I see a lot of shows talking about different dimensions, and we're talking about dimensions all the way up to 11 dimensions. Okay, I'm okay with all that stuff. I get it with the theory of relativity and Einstein and all that stuff. E equals mc squared. I agree with all that, right? Um, the thing is, I believe personally, based off of like I studied cosmophysics and quantum physics for a very long time. Okay. Um, I read Stephen Hawking's A Brief History of Time. And Stephen Hawking, he kind of put cosmophysics and quantum physics together in a way that was very intelligible for the layman's, I guess. Someone, I guess, like a dummy like me, I guess, to understand. He put it in words that was very easy to understand. So I'm going to put it in words that are very understanding that we live in a four-dimensional world. And I'm going to give you a prime example of why there are four dimensions, not three, four. We live right now, we exist in a four-dimensional world. Reason being, because you need four coordinates in order to pinpoint anything. Okay, and I'm gonna give you the four coordinates. It's just like on x and y axis in like geometry or something like that. Only there's four axes here. Okay, so you got to give four coordinates. I'll give you an example. If I was to tell you to meet me at let's say Fourth Street, Fourth and Elm, okay, Fourth and Elm, which is two coordinates, which is latitude and longitude, on the fourth floor, which is altitude, at 4 o'clock, which is time. Four, since we're talking about four dimensions. You get what I'm saying? So I gave you four coordinates, because without those four coordinates, you would not be able to find me in this dimension. You understand what I'm saying? It's very simple. We live in a four-dimensional world, okay? Here are the four coordinates, the four dimensions, the four axes, okay, so to speak. The XYZ and let's say alpha, for time, whatever you want to put time as. C, no, C is the speed of light. I forgot. What is time? Time is just T, I think. I forget. It's been a while. Anyway, even though time's infinite, it could be also the sideways eight, which stands for infinity. That's a whole different topic. Anyway, so four coordinates. Okay, so meet me on Fourth and Elm. All right, Fourth and Elm at 4 o'clock on the fourth floor. That's four coordinates, and you will be able to find me. All right. I gave you altitude, latitude. I'm sorry, I gave you latitude, longitude, altitude, and time. That is the four dimensional world we live in a nutshell.